Good morning, honorable judges and fellow contestants. Good day to all of you. First of all, we would like to thank you for the opportunity to be able to present our scientific research entitled Effect of Artocarpus lactuca extract against Streptococcus mutans on orthodontic. I would like to introduce my team. I'm Wina Cahyadi. My partners, Faja Aldi, Nasriani, and Dr. Siti Bahira, specialist orthodontic consultant as our mentor. We are from North Sumatra University. So, I'll begin the presentation. Malocclusion can be corrected with orthodontic appliances, including fixed orthodontic, but fixed orthodontic appliances have side effects because the usage of bands, adhesive, bracket, and other components may increase plaque retention and prevent maintenance of oral hygiene and may lead to white spot lesion formation. White spot lesion is an early sign of a carious lesion on the enamel that can be detected directly with an eye. The characteristic of white spot lesion is opaque and may occur with or without caries. White spot lesion may occur within 4 weeks of initial treatment and progress to a carious lesion within 6 months. Based on Sundararaj et al. Meta-analysis, while evaluating 14 studies, they found that the incidence rate of white spot lesion formation during orthodontic treatment is 45.8%, and the prevalence in patients undergoing orthodontic treatment is 68.4%. So, as we know, chlorhexidine 0.2% is the gold standard in reducing plaque formation. But the long-term use of chlorhexidine 0.2% may lead to several side effects, such as discoloration of the teeth and oral mucosa, alteration in taste such as spicy taste, and discomfort when used. Due to this side effect, we consider to develop another alternative anti-plaque using herbal ingredients. Because natural compounds in plant-derived substance has few side effects. Herbal mouthwashes also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties when compared to synthetic mouthwashes. In this research, we use mobile plants because it is widely studied and has a lot of benefit. But there are only a few studies on the effect of mobile leaves extract against the number of Streptococcus mutans in orthodontic appliances. As we know, that Streptococcus mutans is the bacteria that commonly found in caries.
I will continue to material and method. This study was designed as experimental laboratory research with a post-test only control group. Mobile leaf extracts were obtained from the Faculty of Pharmacy, University of North Sumatra. The research sample was stainless steel orthodontic wire with a diameter of 0.016 inches, maxillary incisor as white stainless steel bracket, and elastomeric ligature which were contaminated with Streptococcus mutans ATCC 25175, and then culture on tryptophan-resistant sucrose agar or TYCSA media. First, the orthodontic wires and brackets were sterilized using an autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, while the elastomeric ligature used ultraviolet light. Prepare a suspension of Streptococcus mutans until 0.5 McFarland. Then samples were contaminated by inserting them into an inoculum tube containing nutrient broth or NB media and suspensions of Streptococcus mutans. Incubated them for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. Then take out the samples and immerse each samples into each inoculum tube containing mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter, chlorhexidine 0.2% as a positive control, and dimethyl sulfoxide or DMSO as a negative control for 1 hour. Samples were removed from their inoculum tube and put into 3 ml of nutrient broth for microorganism analysis and vortex for 30 seconds to release Streptococcus mutans that attached to the sample. Then, 10 microliter of the nutrient broth solution was cultured in TYCSA media, then incubated them for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. Streptococcus mutans were counted using total plate count method. One-way ANOVA test and post-hoc LSD analysis were carried out to determine difference in the number of Streptococcus mutans on orthodontic wire, bracket, and elastomeric ligature immersed in mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter, or exceeding 0.2%, and dimethyl sulfoxide or DMSO. Result: soft orthodontic wire, bracket, and elastomeric ligature in mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter, or exceeding 0.2%, and DMSO for 1 hour show absence of Streptococcus mutans growing in the mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter group and or exceeding 0.2% group. The highest number of Streptococcus mutans was found in the DMSO group or negative control in the elastomeric ligature samples with a mean 233.00 with standard deviation 55.78 CFU per milliliter, and the lowest number of Streptococcus mutans was found in the orthodontic wire sample with a mean 191.33 with a standard deviation 558.33 CFU per milliliter shown in table 1. This is table 1. The mean of Streptococcus mutans after immersing orthodontic wire, bracket, or an elastomeric ligature in mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter, or exceeding 0.2%, and DMSO. And one way ANOVA test result obtained p-value less than 0.05, which means that there is a significant difference in the mean number of Streptococcus mutans in all treatments shown in the table 2. Based on the result of the post-hoc LSD analysis in table 3, there is a significant difference in the number of Streptococcus mutans between samples of in DMSO and mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter, or p-value equals 0.0001 less than 0.05. Samples of in DMSO and or exceeding 0.2%, while there was no significant difference in the number of Streptococcus mutans between samples of in mobile leaf extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter and or exceeding 0.2%. This is table 3, post-hoc LSD.
Next, I will explain the discussion. This research was conducted by observing the number of bacteria in the samples that had been soaked in 3 treatment groups for 1 hour. We chose total plate count method to measure Streptococcus mutant because it is simple and the parameters is easy to understand. Bacterial adhesion is a process that influenced by physicochemical properties of bacteria and material surfaces. Based on table 1, elastomeric ligature groups exhibit the greater number of Streptococcus mutans than the other groups. This is probably because the scratch elastomeric ligature has a honeycomb-like structure, which makes bacterial adhesion easier and more difficult to clean. While stainless steel materials, such as wire and bracket, have a smoother surface. This study result is mobile leaves extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter has an antibacterial effect against Streptococcus mutans as good as chlorhexidine 0.2%. And based on previous studies, the conclusions are the same. Positive control always has greatest antibacterial effect, followed by mobile extract, while negative control has no antibacterial effect. Unlike the result of this study, there was no significant difference between the antibacterial effect of mobile extract 3.1 to 5 mg per milliliter and positive controls. This may be due to difference in method, extract concentration, extract solvent, the part of mobile used as extract, as well as positive controls used in previous studies. Study by Bhattacharya et al. Found that methanol fraction of mobile leaves has bactericidal activity against 5 bacterial species. This bactericidal activity is probably due to the presence of diethyl phthalate, the main bioactive compound, and the other phytochemical compound like phenol, flavonoid, and tannin. Based on study of Net et al., Net evaluated the antimicrobial potential against oral pathogen and compared ethanol and methanol extract of mobe. Both of these extracts were effective against 5 bacteria, Streptococcus mutans, S. sanguinis, Fusobacterium nucleatum, E. coli, and P. gingivalis. But zone of inhibition by methanol extract of mobe was larger than ethanol extract. This is possibly due to ethanol extract contains tannin, but not alkaloids. Based on study of Sten-Payson et al., mobe extract has antimicrobial potential against oral pathogen, gram-positive, and negative bacteria. But the most sensitive bacteria to this extract were Streptococcus mutans, P. gingivalis, F. nucleatum, and T. forsythia. The difference with this research that the concentration used is lower. Minimum inhibitory concentration, or MIC, 0.1 milligram per milliliter. And at 4 times of MIC, all of Streptococcus mutans were killed after 8 hours, and 2 times of MIC after 12 hours. While in this study, mobe leaves extract 3.125 mg per milliliter can kill off Streptococcus mutans in 1 hour. The bactericidal activity can be different because it is influenced by the immersion time and the concentration of mobe extract. The conclusion is immersion of the sample for 1 hour in mobe leaves extract 3.125 mg per milliliter had the same antibacterial effect as chlorhexidine 0.2% in inhibiting Streptococcus mutans.
This is the end of our presentation. I hope that our research may help all of us on improving herbal dental materials in daily dental practice. Thank you.